Hello, my name is Brian Stacks. Today's date is July 10th, 2013. This is for my project one video review for MiU 1307. The first thing I'd like to talk about was what part of the assignment was the easiest and why. The easiest part of the assignment was actually destroying all my old index HTML we had made from the previous course. As I learned, we really didn't need to do that, but was told from the previous course that we needed it. So I had it there in the wrong format and the wrong style, so I actually just blanked it out, started from scratch on a new index HTML. So trashing the old one was the easiest thing to do because I'd done it real quick after I looked at some of the JavaScript, some of the Java jQuery mobile and how to add it into the HTML. So the easiest thing was to trash the old index HTML. And the next question I'd like to respond to is what part of the assignment was the most difficult and why? The most difficult part of the assignment was probably in the point of just trying to learn some of the jQuery code and not actually the div section, but the things that come after the div. The data calls, and the element calls, and creating elements on the fly, like I did in my app. I don't know if everybody else did in theirs, but just learning that and trying to figure out the best way to write it and the neatest way to write it to be correct, and to get the app working the way I wanted. Um, what information from the previous course did you utilize to complete this project? A lot of my JavaScript knowledge, which we didn't write too much JavaScript, but just having a good understanding of what JavaScript does gave me a better understanding of the jQuery mobile and how to use it and how it was implemented on the mobile application. The HTML I used from previous courses, big help. Like I said, this is my first delves into coding or anything like coding, so this is all new to me, but it's actually fun. So I like it. What information did you research to complete this project? A lot of jQuery and how to call it and install it into my app. A lot of just the buttons and the way they're coded in the HTML and the different proprietary attributes that gave it the position, the icon, stuff like that. So I've done a lot of research in that area. Was there an aha moment this week? If so, what was it? Well, it actually was for me. At first, I had my CSS in, and it wasn't. My app just really wasn't working right after I had started coding. Then I went back through the PowerPoint presentation I downloaded from week one GoToTraining, and aha, there it was, my aha moment. Forgot to take the money sign element out of my JavaScript code and change it. Done that, changed all my money sign elements to GE. Went back to my app on my iOS simulator, worked perfect. Um, Implementation justification. Um, the justifications for the way I set up my app were a lot of what I read in the designing interfaces this week, and just to say that I wanted to keep it real clean, real simple, straight up and down lines. Wanted to have the feature popping. I wanted to put the search bar right under the feature and then have a nice straight list that went straight down with very easily see buttons to where you know what to do. So that was my justification for the way I've used my app this week. My name is Brian Stacks, and thanks for watching.